Hey guys, and welcome to the pro level. Now we are going to start talking about things that can actually change and get your projects and actually give you a lot more options to provide your clients a better solution for email or Facebook retargeting with spinning. So now we are talking about smart tags for email marketing. In order for me to explain what smart tags is, the best way is actually showing you. So you remember we did the simple project, and now I want to show you how it looks when we are using smart tags. So the first thing, let's click on add new, and let's add a value for a subject line. Very important, the tag you are going to use should never have space, symbols, or digit in it. Okay, you can have digit, but later I will explain how. It's very specific. So for this time we are doing for match your hash, so let's do match your hash subx, whatever. You need something that will be unique. Do not put subject or from or something that is like a default name. Use something that will be unique. You click on save. Now we'll take the plain subject line that we use for the openers and let's add it. So this is the tag. We click on action, view. Here we can add one tag. We can type more, or you can add a list of values to spin when each row is a different value. So in that case, we click on save. Now, this subject line is very short and we don't have much to actually spin here. But let's try anyway. Now let me show you what we can do. Okay, this is one subject line and we are going to do some kind of magic, WordAI magic, to get more span values to spin under the same campaign. So let me just show you. Action, WordAI, and pay attention, it's going to be fast. Now the system go and try to find, already did, all the things we can spin with. As you can see, we are wonderful, we are terrific, amazing, blah, blah, blah. It all looks good. 99% of them will be good for you to use. Some of them, because of the targeting or your product, will be a little bit off. So what you need to do is you need to go over them. You click on select all, and you go over them real quick and just uncheck things you do not want to add. So adding a hash to email, this is not something we want. So let me just do it real quick. Now, after we went over them and we are sure it's all good, we click add value. And now the system will add them as the spinning values behind the one value, as you can see. Okay? Once we did it, each ID of the internal value, okay, of the spinning content, will have a score. The score is based on if this ID value was in an email that got opened, the score will be +1. If the email got clicked, another +2, but if the email got unsubscribed, -3. So after you will start sending emails, you will start seeing score, and you will be able to increase your open rate by just removing the bad performance tags and doing WordAI again to the highest performance tags. Now you can do that with multiple values, not just one row. You can do it with multiple values to start with. Now let me show you how it actually works. Okay, let's click on email retargeting. Now I'm going to take the opener's email and I'm going to pause it. Let's do pause. Action, edit. Next. Now we want to replace the subject line, so let's remove that, and now we click on ATM V2 tags, and you can see the tag over here, right? We copy this tag, we place it over here, we click on next, activate it, okay. Now you see, match hash to email, yeah, we are wonderful, right? Now let's send another test. Now you can see the two tests. We're great. We're wonderful. That is the best way to actually show you what smart tags are. Beside that, we can spin all the content inside. Also, we can do WordAI on that, and we will show you all of that in the next videos.